Yeah, they are. Well, what? You gonna cry now? Little bouncy bounce.
She might want to see those flowers.
All right, why don't you show her them? Walk behind her. Did you see my Piers Morgan thing I put on Facebook? Oh. Hey, where you going? You're gonna sit her there?
Yeah, sit walk behind her.
Since I gotta have some of those flowers, people. Two little people didn't get their naps today. What the heck? What's that, Kira? What is that? Oh no, what happened? What happened? What happened to the flowers? You can show them the buttons. They're probably getting old enough to figure some of this out. Push the button. You move your plate too.
What?
Your plate. Is that Francis? Somebody's not happy. Somebody needs a nap real badly. Okay, want me to pick you up? Should I pick you up? Oh, you did it! Roman did it! Good boy, Roman! Kira! Call him, can we?
Kira! Hi! You looking at flowers?
Pick somebody. Okay. Alright, I get